Hi, Captain Chris here, Cracker Boys Boat Works, Fort Pierce, Florida, Atlantic side. You might hear the travel lift in the background. They're just launching a Main Ship 30 rum runner. And I'm looking at this boat. Can you see that big white thing sticking down? That is a probe for a forward-looking sonar. Depth gauge, mind you. But look at all these barnacles on here. And another thing that's concerning me about this is it is such a sore thumb. If you were to, quote, strike a coconut, it can break it off. So look at this guy right here. So there's a through-hull fitting. I don't know if that's for the engine or the generator. This is the forward-looking sonar that's full of barnacles. And now you can see the hull profile. So anything coming down can hit that and break it off. So if you're thinking about a forward-looking sonar, think about what type of probe you will be using, where it will be placed, and how susceptible it is to strikes from debris in the water. If you want to learn more about boats, boat yards, and boat systems, look us up on the internet. Ask Captain Chris.